Ever wondered if your bank truly has your back? In an age where digital convenience often overshadows genuine human connection, it's a question worth asking. We've all been there, stuck in an automated phone tree, waiting endlessly for a human voice, or navigating a website designed more for corporate efficiency than customer ease. It's enough to make you long for the days when a friendly face at the local branch knew your name and your financial history. But what if there was a bank that blended the best of both worlds, the cutting-edge technology you need with the personalized, responsive service you deserve? What if there was a bank that understood that while your money might be digital, your peace of mind shouldn't be? Today, we're diving deep into the Relay Bank customer service experience, peeling back the layers to see if they truly deliver on the promise of exceptional support. Relay Bank isn't just another financial institution, it's a disruptor, a challenger in a landscape often dominated by behemoths. Their promise? To simplify banking for businesses and individuals, offering a streamlined, intuitive platform. But a beautiful interface and competitive rates mean little if you can't get help when you need it most. That's where customer service becomes the true differentiator, the silent hero that can transform a good banking experience into an extraordinary one. So, let's explore the various avenues through which Relay Bank interacts with its customers, examining the strengths, the potential pitfalls, and ultimately, whether their approach to service sets them apart. Our journey begins with the most immediate and often most frustrating point of contact, digital support. Relay Bank, being a modern, tech-forward institution, places a significant emphasis on its online and in-app support channels. This includes a robust help center, in-app chat functionalities, and email support. The help center is typically the first port of call for many users. We've spent considerable time navigating Relay Bank's help center, and our findings are largely positive. The interface is clean, intuitive, and remarkably well organized. Articles are categorized logically, and the search function is powerful, allowing users to quickly pinpoint information on topics ranging from setting up direct deposits to understanding transaction fees. What truly stands out, however, is the clarity and conciseness of the content. Complex financial jargon is eschewed in favor of plain language, making even intricate banking processes understandable to the average user. They also frequently incorporate visual aids, like screenshots and short video tutorials, which significantly enhance the user experience. This proactive approach to self-service is commendable. It empowers customers to find solutions independently, reducing the need for direct intervention and saving valuable time for both the customer and the bank. However, even the most comprehensive help center can't answer every unique query or resolve every complex issue. This is where the in-app chat function comes into play. In our tests, the response times for the in-app chat were consistently impressive. We rarely waited more than a few minutes to be connected with a live agent, even during peak hours. The agents themselves were knowledgeable, polite, and remarkably efficient. They seemed well-versed in Relay Bank's products and services, capable of answering a wide range of questions from technical troubleshooting to more nuanced financial inquiries. What was particularly striking was their ability to quickly grasp the essence of the problem and offer practical, actionable solutions. There was no sense of being shuffled between departments or having to repeat information, a common frustration with many other banking institutions. The chat transcripts are also readily available for review within the app, providing a convenient record of conversations and solutions, which is a small but significant detail that enhances transparency and customer peace of mind. Email support, while often seen as a slower channel, remains a vital option for non-urgent inquiries or when a detailed written record is preferred. Relay Bank's email support, much like their chat, demonstrated a commitment to timely and thorough responses. While certainly not instantaneous, we typically received comprehensive replies within a few hours, often much faster than the 24 to 48-hour window often quoted by other banks. The email responses were well-structured, addressing all points raised in our initial inquiry, and again, demonstrated a clear understanding of the subject matter. It's evident that Relay Bank invests in training its customer service representatives to a high standard, regardless of the channel they operate in. This consistency across digital platforms is a testament to their commitment to a unified and positive customer experience. Now, let's talk about the human element, the voice at the end of the line. While Relay Bank heavily promotes its digital channels, they also understand that some issues are best resolved through a direct conversation. Their phone support, while perhaps not as prominently advertised as their digital offerings, is a crucial safety net for customers facing more complex or urgent problems. Our experience with Relay Bank's phone support was, for the most part, equally positive. The hold times were generally manageable, certainly a far cry from the interminable waits often associated with larger, more traditional banks. Once connected, the agents were professional, empathetic, and highly capable. They exhibited strong problem-solving skills and a genuine willingness to assist. There was a noticeable absence of the robotic, script-reading tone that can plague customer service calls elsewhere. Instead, the conversations felt natural and personalized, indicative of agents who are empowered to think critically and deviate from rigid scripts to truly address the customer's needs. We observed instances where agents went above and beyond, offering proactive advice or follow-up solutions that weren't explicitly requested but demonstrably added value to the interaction. This level of proactive service is a rare gem in the banking world. One area where Relay Bank truly distinguishes itself is its focus on specialized support for businesses. Recognizing that business banking often involves more complex transactions, intricate accounting, and higher stakes, Relay Bank offers dedicated support teams for its business clients. This isn't just about having a different phone number, it's about having access to agents who understand the nuances of business finance, from managing payroll to navigating international transactions. Our research indicates that business clients consistently report a higher level of satisfaction with Relay Bank support, citing the expertise and tailored advice they receive. This specialized approach demonstrates a deep understanding of their target market and a commitment to providing relevant, impactful assistance. It's a smart move in a competitive landscape, acknowledging that one-size-fits-all service simply doesn't cut it for the diverse needs of businesses. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.